Let's see if I can do this with the camera going. He took it out of my hand. No, sissy, sissy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm not sure if he's a boy, but he's a boy now. He might be a girl. Good boy. He got peanut butter on his little beak. That piece is taking a while, huh? That piece is taking a while. Oh, sorry. I had my knee up, so my leg was shaking. So sorry about that. The camera was probably going nuts. Here you go, little buddy. Be good. It's almost gone, Hoppy. Just a couple little pieces. That's a big piece. Okay, last piece. Let me try to get this. Alright, last piece, Hoppy. Yay! Good boy! Okay, his little peanut butter on his little beak. Where you going now? Guess it's time to go. He got peanut butter all over his little beak. Sorry about the wind. At least his grass will taste a little peanut buttery now. Now he's got a nice healthy protein and 14 grams of whole grain. So that'll be good for him. Alright, I'm gonna go because there's probably too much wind on the video. Okay, bye everyone.